All right. Good afternoon, kids, young people, mathematicians. Hope that you had a really good weekend. I'm here for Unit 5, Lesson 3, thousandths in expanded form. Um, okay, and let's just take a look at a little bit of a joke, see what we think about that. I just have to move this, and here we go. Okay. Not all math jokes are bad. Just some, just a few of them. SOME, but really SUM. I actually really like this one quite a bit. All right, let's get working on decimal work. Okay. On the homework, I just want to call your attention. I did put a place value mat or just like kind of a place value chart. I think it is really, really important that you kind of see how things are going. And we are very much working up to the thousandths this year. But then, there are 10 thousandths in 1,000, and they get smaller and smaller. Okay. So let's start at the beginning. Well, we represented thousandth is in expanded form on this lesson. I believe this was last week, I think, lesson 3. And expanded form happens in decimal like place value or fraction place value. And it's just really, really important that you can be fluent in both because you're going to have to interchange between them. It's also how you read the decimal. So that's really helpful. So like when you read the fraction, that equals the decimal or the decimisal, like I used to say. Okay. All right. I wonder if I don't think that I did update this number, did I? I think I just printed it out really fast. Okay, well, let's just work on it anyway, even though we've already done it. And in fact, I'm just going to do it the standard algorithm way because we have already done this prior to this. So even with the standard algorithm, I want to get my multiples in, and I'm just going to take a moment to do that. 6, 7, 10. So I have 102 plus 34, 6, 3, 1, 6, and then another 34, 10, 6, 7, 170, and then obviously 3, 4, 0. Okay. And so first I'm trying to put 4 into 8. I missed a circle here. Okay, everybody. No, oh no, it's not 8. It's not 4, it's 34. I'm so sorry, everybody. Anyways, so I have 34 trying to go into 87. So it looks like I have to have the largest number without going over. It looks like it's going to be 2 with 68. And now I'm subtracting 8, 9, 10, 7 is 9 and 1. 19 is less than 34. So we're good. We divided, we multiplied, then we subtracted. And now we are bringing down. Does McDonald's sell bananas? To bring it down to 0. 190 looks like I'm not going to get there precisely. So I'm going to go with the 4, which is 136. And I have to borrow 4. 8 minus 3 is 5. And then I have 544. And I'm kind of looking, and I wonder if 340, I guess 54 was. Oh, you know what? Oh my gosh, I definitely could have done 170. What is my problem? Good thing you get to see this, kids, because actually I did that on purpose. Because the 54 is bigger than the 34, so I can't do that. It has to be a bigger number in the quotient. This has to be bigger because this number has to be less than the divisor. It has to after you subtract. And if not, you got to redo it. So instead of 190, I'm going to have, well, actually, I start off with 190 here, but then if I have 170, I'm going to add another 34. Unless I've done something wrong here. Okay, hold on. I have 10, 136 plus 34, 204. Maybe I subtracted wrong here. 79, 190. Oh, anyways, it is a 5 and it goes 170. Oh my gosh. Okay. And then I'm going to have 20 and then a 4 here. And I bet, oh, look, that's the 6th multiple. So 6 times 34 is 204. Can't forget about the 6 up here. So I know that 256 times 34 is where it's at. Okay, I'm going to do this really fast. 24, 22, 10, 0, 18, 16, 6, 7. 8,704. Ooh, yeah. Okay. All right, let's get back to some decimals. Okay. So I want to select all values that represent this. So I have 3 times 1/10, so I have 3/10. I have 2 times 100th, so I have 200ths, and then I have 9 times 1,000th, so I have 9,000ths, and that's going to be 329. So that's 329 thousandths. Is not 3 and 29 thousandths. It's not going to be 30 and 29 thousandths, but it is definitely going to be 329 thousandths. It's not this 329 thousandths. And this 3 is a whole number, so no. Okay, nice. That was good. All right, so I saw it in word form, standard form. This is expanded because it's by each place value. And then this is fraction form. All right, let's look at the next one, the shaded region. This comes up a lot. And I know that we've used these for different things over the years, but let's see what we got here, because this now, the entire thing is 1.0, which means each one of these is a 10th. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tenths. Okay, so I'm going to count over here what I have. I have 5 tenths, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4 hundredths. And then I have, looks like about 2 thousandths. So that's going to be 5 tenths, 4 hundredths, and 2 thousandths. 0 holes, 5, 4, 2. Nice. And that's going to be 542 thousandths. And it's going to be 542 thousand THS. Most of you are doing a good job about that, but it has to be THS at the end. Now, expanded form, I'm going to have to squeeze this a little bit because I don't leave a ton of room. It's going to be 5 times 1/10 plus 4 times 100 plus 2 times 1,000. Okay. And you could have used fractions there if you want, but either way, this is the expanded form. All right. So check your work. And all right. Sam was asked to write expanded form of this decimal. And look, there's a whole number too. So that's pretty cool. She wrote the following as her answer. Oh, I wonder if there was something else on there that I somehow missed, unless we're just supposed to be Sam. I wonder if we are supposed to be Sam. Let's see. Oh, I did miss something. Okay, well, no worries. Let's see what she has. She has 6 times 10 plus 2 times 1. So far that works. Plus 5 times 1/10. Problematic because there's 0/10 is there. Plus 7 times 100. Also 5 in the hundredths place. Okay. Sam is incorrect. All right. There are 0 tenths, 5 hundredths. I spell the word THS, and 7 thousandths. Okay, I'll fix that on your homework, so don't worry. And now, let me go back. I hope you've been able to see this. Yes. And now I'm going to write a number that's equivalent to the expanded form. And here's a place value chart. I put it right here so it can help you, but you can use it anytime, kind of like a multiplication chart. All right, so here we go. We have 800, we have 70, and we have 4, and then we have 9 tenths. We do not have any hundredths, and then we have 3 thousandths. So it's 874.903. 874 and 903 thousandths. All right. Please practice, find decimals everywhere in your world, and I will see you tomorrow.